How to add the gallery block to your Squarespace website. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so in order to showcase your beautiful images. So for any number of reasons actually, so yeah, you can do it for whatever reason you want, but I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Now you may have tried before and failed because it is not actually a block that you can use. So if you just go to, for example, first you'll need to find a location where you want to add this gallery. So I'm just going to use this test one page, which is pretty much empty. Now you may have tried to just click on edit, add a section. Let's just add a blank one. And if you click here, add block, you can't really find the gallery block because, well, it's not actually a block. Instead, if you want to add a gallery, it is pretty much a section. So we are actually going to have to click on add section. And then from add section, we just want to go to the images tab here. From the images tab, we can actually go ahead and see all the different types of gallery options that we have. If it does not have this little icon, it's not a gallery. So just make sure you select one with that icon. So I'm just going to go ahead and go for this one. It looks kind of cool. So I'm just going to go for this one. Click on it. And now we should have the gallery ready to go. Now we can do a lot of different customization options to this gallery. Starting from, we can actually go ahead and click on edit gallery. And in here we can feel free to remove, add images, and basically change the order of these images as well. So to remove images, you just basically hover over any and remove it. So for example, we can just hover over this one and remove it. Click on confirm to confirm that, and then you can also feel free to adjust the position of each image. So let's say this is the best image that I have. Actually, this is the best image that I have, and then this one, and then that one. You get the idea. And then we can also click on each image and add a description to it and also a link to it. So for example, this image is going to lead to google.com, and this description for this is Google. Let's just leave it as Google, for example. And this one is going to be different from this one, and each one is going to be unique. Now to add an image, you can just click on the plus icon from the top here, click on upload images, and you can add your own image. And I know this is going to be the better one here, so I'm just going to move it up. Once it actually loads in, I'm just going to move it up here. Give me a second. Sorry about that. So now that we have this image, we can also feel free to adjust the position for it and everything. You get the idea now. You can add a description and a link. Now, if you just close out of this, let's just save it just in case. Click on edit section this time instead of edit gallery. And once you do that, you have also plenty of other options. For example, the gallery type, we already chose this one, so it doesn't really make a difference. The width, whether it's going to be full bleed, full inset. You also get to choose that. The layout with the columns, you can increase or decrease them. But I like it as 3. I believe is going to be the best. Like so. And we also have the spacing between the images. So we can increase or decrease that. Captions, which is going to pretty much just show the ones that we have a description for. So I'm just going to turn those off. And then we also have animations here. So if you want to show fading animations, but I'm just going to keep it off. And then we also have colors. So if you just go to colors here, you can add the different background colors that are within your theme. And this is pretty much all for this video. So hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.